Hey, what's up everyone? So I discovered how to get your Facebook account unlocked, and in the time of doing this for 2 years, I've only seen 5 people get their account banned from Facebook. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get it unbanned. I'm gonna do a screen sharing here shortly, and you're gonna notice in the screen sharing, all that I do to get the account unbanned within 24 hours is I go into Facebook Marketplace, and you'll notice how it says in Facebook Marketplace that you can no longer sell on Marketplace, blah, blah, blah. So what you do is you exit out of the Facebook app and then go back into the Facebook app, go to your home, your profile or whatever, switch your data mode and Wi-Fi off. And then after you switch your data and Wi-Fi off, all you do is you go back to Marketplace, and you're gonna see this in the video following this one on how to do it and how to figure it out on your screen. But then you go back and you go into your listings, and there'll be like red letters on some of the listings like, oh, this is a duplicate listing, this is in violation of our community. And all you do is delete those listings that are in red, and then you switch your data back on, refresh the screen, and voila, you're back in the Marketplace. I've seen people get their account back right away, and the issue is literally permanently solved. Anytime you get kicked out, just go ahead and do that. So hope this video helps you. All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your account unbanned. So in this example, we have an account that actually happens to be my brother's. He got his account shut down, and it has a button here, request review, and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to show you how to get this fixed. So first off, go ahead, exit your Facebook app. You're going to go open it back up. You're going to go to your home page, okay? Just go to your home page. And then what you're going to do is you are going to switch the data off and Wi-Fi. Make sure your data and Wi-Fi are off. Then you're going to click on Marketplace. Now, you might have to do this a few times. It took me like 5 times of doing this to actually get it to bypass the system. What's happening is Facebook software is trying to shut people down. It's not an actual person, so this is why we're trying to solve this problem. You're going to click on Marketplace, and then you're going to click on Selling. And then you're going to click on your listings, and then quickly put your data back on, okay? So you got to time it just right. And, you're going to notice sometimes you're going to have to do this like 5 times, like I said. So we're going to do it again. We're going to switch our data. We're going to exit the Facebook app. We're going to open it again. And we're going to do this again. So refresh your page, shut the data off. Then you're going to go back to Marketplace, and you literally have to time this right. Selling your listings. Turn your data back on, and let's try this again. Request review. Maybe this will work. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. We're gonna open Facebook. Then we're gonna switch the data off. We're going to keep doing this until it works. Trying to see if we could edit this. See if we could edit. Okay, that's why. All right, so we're going to go back to Marketplace again. We're going to go to Selling your listings. Turn data back on until this thing works. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing again. Click Facebook. Turn off data. Go to Marketplace. Selling your listings. Turn data on again. All right, you just keep doing this, guys, until literally it works. So let's do it again. All right, refresh the page, turn data off. It's just timing everything right. So click on Selling your listings. Try and turn the data on again. All right, let's give it a moment here. All right, just keep doing it. Turn data off. Go to marketplace, selling. Hit marketplace again. Selling, shipping orders. Let's try this. All right, guys, so we finally got it where we could do this, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here, we're gonna delete the listing. All right. So it does take a little bit. You gotta really time everything right, put the data back on, and figure this thing out. Okay, see options, delete listing. So you're gonna delete the listing. Okay, the listing was removed. Again, guys, this thing sometimes takes a ton of working. This thing has an order, so I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna see options. I'm gonna delete the listing. All right, your listing was removed. And then we're gonna try and update this. And okay, so here we are. Bank holds are on transfer. So we just deleted those listings that were against their terms, and now you should be back on Marketplace just like that. Again, sorry for the long video. It just takes a little bit of doing it, and then and then it actually starts to work. So we're back in Marketplace with this account, and sorry for the long video. All right, guys, so just to confirm, this account is back up and running. Selling, he could list stuff now and everything. His shipping orders, obviously some were canceled by Facebook. This is because it took so long for everything to happen. But just to prove to you this works, it takes a bunch of tries to get it. But once you go and delete those listings that were in violation, you're good to go.